The dinosaurs were huge, heavy, and incredibly strong. So where did they all go? Today, we will find out what happened to them. We might even find a real cousin of a dinosaur sitting right outside your window. Dinosaurs were on Earth for a long time. For over 160 million years, they were everywhere. There were giant ones, some tiny ones, and spiky ones. They lived a long time before any people existed. Then they vanished. We have to look at the ground to find out why. About 66 million years ago, a giant space rock traveling from deep space crashed directly into Earth. Scientists call a huge rock from space an asteroid. This one was as big as an entire city. This is a picture taken from way up in space. It shows the edge of the giant hole the asteroid made. It hit the ground so hard that the hole is bigger than a whole state. Silly! Kaboom! Kitty, meow. That is the biggest uh-oh ever. You're right, Kitty. That giant crash made Earth's weather very dark and very cold. Hannah. The crash kicked tons of dust and smoke high up into the sky. It made a thick blanket that blocked out the warm sunshine. Ava. Without sunshine, plants cannot grow. In the dark, green leaves and trees drooped and died. Hannah. This was a big problem. Plant-eating dinosaurs suddenly had no food and got very hungry. Ava. Without plant eaters, the meat-eating dinosaurs got hungry too. The whole food chain fell apart. Kitty. Meow. No sun means no plants. No plants means every animal loses its dinner. Hannah. We know this happened because of what is buried in the dirt. Ava. Scientists dig up fossils, bones and footprints saved in solid rock for millions of years. They are like a story written by the earth. Hannah. This picture shows a very special thin layer of light-colored rock. Scientists found it all over the world. That exact line is full of stardust from the asteroid. By looking at those rock layers and finding dinosaur bones, scientists showed exactly how they disappeared. But here is the most exciting part. Not every single dinosaur disappeared after the asteroid hit. This is a fossil of a very small dinosaur. You can see marks where it actually had feathers to keep warm. Because they were small and fluffy, they survived the cold darkness. Over millions of years, those tiny feathered survivors slowly changed. Their arms became wings, and they learned to fly. Meow. You mean the pigeon outside my window is a tiny dinosaur cousin? Wow! Meow! Hey, Ava, what do you call a dinosaur that never gives up? What, Kitty? A triceratops. Hee. Ha! Keep trying, Kitty. Quiz time. Shout it out loud. Question 1. What giant space rock hit Earth? An asteroid. Ding! Question 2. What did the dust do to the sun? It blocked it. Question 3. Which animals today came from small dinosaurs? Birds. The asteroid hit, dust blocked the sun, plants died, and large dinosaurs could not survive. But their bones became fossils telling their story, and their feathered cousins are flying around today. Here's a mission. Look for a bird outside today and say hi to a dinosaur cousin. Then ask a grown-up, what is your favorite dinosaur and why? Now you know why the dinosaurs disappeared. Subscribe so you never miss a new adventure at Open Learning Lab. Kitty. Meow. Keep looking up, explorers.